खुलुमबाय लोगोफोर वेलकाम बैक टू माय चैनल बड'सा इनफो चैनलाव नोंथांमोनखौ फिन खेबसे बरायनाय जाबाय दिनै जों डिस्कास खालामगोन अबाउट MNCs especially KPO BPO LPO etc. साख्रिनि बिखय जों बेफोरबायदि साख्रिनि बिखय जों रायज्लायगोन दिनै बेनिखायनो बे चैनलखौ बे एपिसोडखौ आं लाबोनाय जाबाय फ्रेंड्स BPO and MNCs okay actually BPO MNC ni अंदरावनो software बतायो BPO KPO LPO okay technical non-technical voice process these are etc these are certain processes I'm talking about so जों बिनि बिखय बिनि important what is the essence of this particular job profile so जों बिनि बिखय रायज्लायगोन लोगोफोर साख्रि बे MNC साख्रिफोरा बिराद lucrative in the private sectors लोगोफोर गभर्नमेंट साख्रिथ' जों दानि जुगाव मोननो थांला बिराद गोब्राब मोननो थांला माने मोनो किन्तु very tough it is very competitive in nature so प्राइवेट जबाल' मोनसे राहासै दानिया किन्तु जों न'आव थाब्ला जानाय नङा न'निफ्राय ओंखारनो रोंनांगोन आरो साहस थानांगोन खारन only जाहोनानो जाबाय आसाम आरो एन्टायर नर्थ इस्टआव जों बि KPO बा MNCs बा BPO साख्रिफोरा बा सफ्टवेयर साख्रिफोरा गैया आरो बिनि थाखाय जों इंलिश रावखौ सोलोंनो रोंनांगोन ओके स्पेशली इंलिश निउट्रेल एक्सेन्टखौ जों रोंनांगोन ओके सोलोंनानै लानो रोंनांगोन खारन बे भेरि इम्पर्टेन्ट neutral accent ni बिखय आं few of the episodes आं खालामदों आंनि चेनेलाव so नोंथांमोना जुदि सोलोंनो लुबैदोंब्ला बे neutral accentखौ नोंसोर सोलोंनानै लानो हागोन you can go and check in YouTube and find in my name बड'सा इनफो neutral accent टाइप खालामनानै मोनगोन so जों बिनि बिखय रायज्लायगोन दिनै थ' बिदिब्ला इन्टारभिउ प्रसेसनि बिखय रायज्लायनोसै BPO MNC companies what type of interview जायो बा what type of job nature and interview procedures so बिनि बिखय जों रायज्लायनोसै but before we begin so आं बुंनो नागिरो so neutral accent माने इंलिशनि neutral accentआ very important okay because it is very amiable and it's very understandable किन्तु जों जुदि नर्थ इस्टनि जोंनि उत्तर पूर्वाञ्चलनि एक्सेन्टखौ जुदि इउज खालामो प्राय भागानो हमनो हाया माने हमनो हायो किन्तु it looks very ugly nasty so बेनिखायनो जों निउट्रेल एक्सेन्टखौ एसे इम्पर्टेन्ट होनो नांगौ आरोखि so बेनि थाखायनो आं channel I came up with some of the few of my channels are there not channels episodes are there you can go and check and google it out YouTube check खालामब्लानो आंनि नामाव नोंसोरो बेखौ सोलोंनानै लानो हागोन so it's very simple it's not a rocket science so दिनैनि बाहागोआव दिनैनि एपिसोडआव जों इन्टारभिउनि बिखय रायज्लायगोन इन्टारभिउनि बिखय सम्बन्धै जों रायज्लायगोन so ma interview jaye bari interview jaye how many rounds will be there and what type of nature so we'll talk about the phases of the interviews so give you an interview process so see interview direct walk-in bonongo aro through consultancy direct walk-in mane candidate jai interview the candidate mane jai interview job lana nagideng be direct as per the advertisement so इसको मिथिनो नांगोन बबे कम्पानियाव माने डाइरेक्ट वर्क-इन थायो so through Gmail once you register yourself into job portals मेला job portals थे जैसे कि naukri.com shine.com monster.com बेफोर job portal आरो तो बेयाव नोंसोरो गावनि नामखौ रेजिस्टार खालामब्लानो so मेला माने कम्पानि दं बिसोरो गावसोरनि रिक्वायरमेन्ट हिसाबै बेयाव बिसोर माने walk-in informationखौ होयो so according to that you need to look for which are the companies that they are giving and second जाबाय second दङ consultancy through consultancy so through consultancy जों apply खालामनो हायो. So there are many other private agencies, I mean private consultancies. So बिसोरो माने जुगार खालामो. जुगार माने they are tie up affiliated to certain companies. Okay, suppose X company दङ, तो this Y consultancy मा खालामगोन, on behalf of X company बिसोरो interview process को बिसोरो खालामगोन. So all the rounds will be done in the consultancies itself. Okay, so बेनिखायनो जों consultancy, there are many other companies, n number of consultancies are there. It's a pan India phenomenon, you know, across India and across the globe. So anyway, in India जों India नि बिखय बुंगासिनो. So India, suppose say Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Gurgaon. So these are the cities. Okay, so first one is direct walk-in. So candidate gauna direct company, or suppose IBM, suppose Infosys, suppose TCS. So these are the companies, Infosys, okay, and Wipro. So these are the companies, the giant companies. Colgate. So these are the companies, so you can go for. So first of them direct walk-in, second of them consultancy. But goso laki there will be consultancy for paisa hana nanga. Okay, so it is free of cost. But the getting a job or a job manaya be purely based on your performance. So now, so danya pidejang the nature, okay, the nature of the rounds. So we'll talk about, we'll have a brief idea about the rounds of interviews. Kaita rounds are here, okay, what are the procedures. So in nutshell, I'll be talking about it. So rounds of interview. So rounds of interviews bara gaya 1 to 3 rounds, or in some cases 4 and maximum 5 rounds. Okay, so it is based on the companies. It varies, okay, company to company. So 1 to 3 rounds minimum. Okay, this is the minimum rounds of interviews. So prathama jagan you know, first HR rounds. Okay, HR rounds jaye followed by some aptitude test, मतलब second round में. Third round now first round interview, I mean HR लागत. Okay, second round now IVR. Okay, IVR माने ये जुदी voice process हो थांगना बला IVR थागन, आरो जुदी voice process हो नवाला non voice process बला IVR round थागना, और direct operational round जागन by aptitude test जागन. And fourth round would be managerial round or operation round, operation manager. So biao final are. So first interview was by personal interview, first round now HR लागत company ni, और जदि consultancy हो थांगदं बला consultancy हो बो HR थाई तो HR परा लागत first round. Second round जदि voice process बला IVR round जागन, IVR round. Okay, your phone now लायरेन नांगन आरो English रावखौ. Okay, there will be some set of questions. किसुमान questions थायो, बे questions संगन IVR आव phone आव आरके बियो headphone mobile phone बादे थायो, बियाव जों लायरेन नांगन phone आव. Okay, so question को machine ask खालामगोन आरो जों answer को होननांगोन in neutral English. And based on that, suppose your second round be clear jodi jaye IVR round, then you will be posted to the aptitude. So aptitude sigang aptitude be jana hago second round now, nola third round now, second round IVR be jana hago, nola third round now IVR jana hago. So this is the thing. And after that jodi third round aptitude test mane biao simple math thagan ara grammar thagan, comprehension mane essays writing. और because the complete खालामाब्ला fourth round of managerial or operation round, in other words you can say. So these are the phases of interview. So I just brief summary it up. So first round HR round. Okay, so it's a normal talk. So you will be asked to say something about yourself and about your family, about your education, about your experience. Jadi nang freshers ni week है बारा question संगा freshers परको खाली just they will be asking बिसोर सोंगोन नोंनि बिखय बुंनो थाखाय फेमिलिनि बिखय बुंनो थाखाय 2 to 3 minutes okay or max to max 5 or 10 minutes so बेयाव बिसोर नोंनि इंग्लिशखौ नायगोन नोंसोरनि एबिलिटी so thought process so they will be out of a blue moon they may ask some questions so नों मा नोंनि हबिसा मा okay so नों मा खालामनानै मोजां मोनो so what is your weak point नोंनि गुरै पॉइंट मा नोंनि स्ट्रं पॉइंट मा नोंनि हबिसा मा aim in life aim and objective so how long you are going to suppose some tricky question they will be asking so बोसोरनि उनाव नों गावखौनो बबे पोजिशनाव नुनो नागिरो so बेबादि आरोखि so we'll be talking about this the strategy of interview you know how to crack the interview so बिनि बिखयबो आं I will be coming up with some topic on this YouTube in the near future so I'll be in the process so I'll be talking about that so in sum up खालामसै sum up आव बिनो personal interview HR round okay second round now जुदि voice process bla IVR round okay and third आव दङ aptitude test बेयाव simple math थागोन or grammar थागोन or comprehension essay writing okay आरो बेखौ जुदि क्लियर खालामो fourth round जागोन fourth round आव managerial round or operation round so बिनोसै thank you